Hey everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints. Welcome back. Today we are going to be taking a look at a couple of kits in our Etsy shop. One of those is our antique book covers, which look like this. And then the other one is our pretty spines, which look like this. And we're going to talk a little bit about how you can use these in your journal. So to start with, I just wanted to give you a look at what it might look like if you combine one of the spines with the journal covers. And you can see it's got a cool like antique book look to it. And Kyra's actually going to be doing a video on this where she uses some of our covers and spine to create a journal. So you can look forward to that coming soon. And the book covers come in a variety of styles and colors. This is just a sampling. There's actually quite a few more that come with the kit. And then same thing with the spines. This is just a sampling, of what comes with the spine kit. Lots of colors and styles. And the spines actually come in 4 different sizes, so you can make your journal thin or you can make it really thick. It's kind of up to you which size works best for you. And then we also have some Christmas ones. And I wanted to give you just a quick look at those as well. So this is what the Christmas spines look like, and they come with these little labels that you can use. And again, there's a lot more colors and variety of styles that come with this, but you get kind of an idea of what it might look like. And then same thing with the covers. There's just a really big variety of covers for the Christmas book covers as well. So something to take a look at. We'll put links down below to all these items. And then the spines also come with this connector piece. It's a little template that you can use. And I'll show you really quickly kind of how that might work. So you find the matching size. This is 3" and this is a 3" spine. And you can glue that onto here. And then you can glue your Christmas covers or whatever covers you're using that coordinate with your spine. And I don't have another one like this, but let's see if we can find one that would work well. I think this one would work well. There we go. And you can just connect them together using these tabs. And then that can become the cover of your book. So it looks kind of like this. And you can use that as your book cover. So I just wanted to give you that quick look into how these work and how you can use them. And again, catch Kyra's video and she'll show you kind of in more detail how you can apply these to the cover of your journal. All right, thanks for watching everyone. Bye.